Graham, you and I predicted it right. Yeah, game 5, tapos na. We
No.
already have a final series right after this one, and I would say credit rin sa mga viewers no that may it be mean or good, I think they knew this was coming. Anyway, welcome to the podcast, everybody. We are going to do a recap of the game 5 games of Ross versus TNT and then Hinebra versus Northport. Let's first start with Ross and TNT. That was the 5 p.m. game. Ngayong March 7. And these teams now, TNT and Hinebra, will have a week to
To prepare.
prepare and give us a final series to remember. But before that, let's go through the semifinals very quick.
Mhm.
And as usual, ating post game that we hopefully na I'm really happy na maganda yung reviews about our post games. Diba, Graham? I sent
Oo.
Graham some of the screenshots and I'm sure Graham goes through some of the comments and thank you. I mean, from the bottom of
We
our hearts. May
yeah,
may
we
namita ko
appreciate it.
na may namita ko na guy kanina, Graham,
Hmm.
who said that they I wanted to tell you this in person. He liked our tandem. I didn't know the guy at all. I was just walking and nakakatawa to hear that na a stranger saying that they like the
Wow.
show.
No, I
Especially
mean,
a new guest.
a lot of people tend to like our tandem in the past din, di ba? With the leagues that we covered.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I'm like, what? In the past?
in the past,
Yeah,
di
yeah.
ba?
Sa
We
ano,
worked
sa mga
together.
coverage natin sa basketball games. Oh, guys, nag-partner kami ni Grem sa mga Pinoy Liga.
Uh,
Pinoy Liga kami nag-partner ni
yeah,
Grem.
yeah,
And
we did. Sa ano,
we
dun
heard,
sa,
ano pa ba?
what's the, yung kay Coach Willie? The Grace alumni? Something like
Oh
that.
yeah,
Oh, di
JBL.
ba, no? Chusarap,
Actually,
Chusarap, the best meal that
Uy,
you can
chusarap.
have.
Chusarap. Pero masarap yun, legit though. Masarap nga chusarap.
And
But, yeah, yun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa yun before we started.
that's great to hear. Just giving, my thoughts as someone who uh over the past year and a half spent most of my time covering volleyball games, but still I kept my eye on basketball, especially sa PBA and NBA. We don't talk much NBA here, probably some other time.
Yeah,
um
maybe.
but yeah, the PBA semis are, I mean, it's already over. We
Mm-mm.
predicted it. I think yung Ginebra series madali i-predict, di ba? Na it will
Yeah.
end tonight, but the
Pasadahan. Ito
TN
yung term na pasadahan
oh
natin.
I think saglit na lang natin yung i-tackle, parang wala masyado. But TNT Ross this was, I'd say if game 4 was rugged, ugly in terms of it not being high scoring. Ito medyo maganda, mas maganda ito panoorin.
I liked it.
Offense wise,
I like the
uh,
intensity
uh,
as well.
it boiled down to, in I was watching on RPTV, si Paulo Del Rosario and si Doc J
Ako,
Andihao,
Pilipinas Live naman
yung
ako.
panel.
Okay. So,
Uh,
dalawa yung perspective natin.
they kept on saying na it's a game of runs kasi towards the end of the first quarter, TNT had its run, di ba? And then towards the end of the second, Ross naman. And then sa start ng third was Ross, and then towards the end of the third was TNT, and then back and forth affair until RJ just said, ayoko na maglaro sa Sunday. Ang
Ano yan?
I'd ra
Tapusin na natin.
yeah,
Tapusin na natin, boys.
I'd rather wait for Hinebra kasi tapusin na rin nila tonight eh. I mean,
Mm.
everyone knows that. So in the NRHJ just proved to be too good for Ross to contain. I'm looking at the box score. Yung usual contributors ng game 4 for TNT, and one of the reasons na, in my opinion, mas nahirapan sila in game 5 than in game 4 is RR Pugoy and Calvin Oftana was not as effective this game compared to game 4 na sila talaga yung kumana, and RHJ was just lurking in the background, di ba? Ngayon si RHJ talaga, they went exclusively to him. But that's just, we keep on saying na that's just how TNT is composed, na one guy will have a down game or will not produce as much, but the other guys will pick it up. This time it's Ray Batak, who was the leading scorer together with Calvin Oftana with 12 points for TNT. So too much RJ in the end. Grabe yung mga galaw niya, no? Para i-mirror mo lang yung mga video before.
Kobe-esque.
Uh,
Pag flinip mo yung mirror,
you
yung
flip
magiging siyang
that.
right-handed.
Oo. It's, and you can't tell the difference. And then RJ is not Kobe, but yung gameplay, yung itsura ng katawan ng ulo, in
Lahat.
everything, di ba?
Lahat.
It's
Yung height, parehas.
photocopy talaga ni,
Oo.
ni Kobe Bean. So he's just too good. He's a lock to win the best import of the conference. Unless Justin Brownlee scores 100 points in the next 3 games. I mean, 100 points each game in the next 3 games. That's
Ganun,
not gonna
ganun, ganun
happen.
siya habol. Ganun siya habol.
RHJ, I think, and this is just a quick side topic, probably something that we
Yes.
can discuss in the future. If we are giving Justin Brownlee the honors of being considered as a top 5 import of all time, if RHJ wins another title with TNT, this conference, and then pang ilang beses po niya na third, and then he beats Justin Brownlee 3 times.
Again and
Oo,
again and
again,
again.
I think he has to be in that discussion. Ano? Premature kasi di pa siya ganun katagal naglaro dito sa Pinas. It's only been what, like 2-3 years?
Pero that's the body of work. Hindi nga ganun masyado pa na
Oh,
matagal sa liga. Then, he racks on the championships, diba? So, I feel like Graham, if he was with Ginebra, I feel like
oh,
the people would have already said, put this
it
guy
it
as
gets
the best.
magnified, di ba?
Mas
In an
ma-magnify.
unfair way. But you beat a guy that no one is able to beat 3 times and wala siyang bawi sa'yo. I mean, that's assuming TNT wins, which I don't think they will. That's something that we'll discuss in the eventually.
Magkaka-finals preview tayo, guys.
Uh,
Magkaka-finals
but
preview tayo.
he is too good for this league.
Okay. That's respect coming from you. Usually, Graham, I know na sometimes we're loyal to our fan bases, no? Pero, guys, si Graham, when he gives respect to a opponent, alam mo talagang believe yan.
Oh, I mean, he has masyado na siyang maraming heartbreak na idinulot kumbaga si RHJ.
At ikaw parang respeto? Respect for this guy? Wala akong masabi.
No, I don't. Normally you'll hate the guy, di ba? Parang
Pero
when
ikaw, parang I
when
love this
Reggie
guy.
Miller goes to Madison Square Garden, galit na galit ka, no? Or Trae Young, no? Trae Young. But no, this guy RJ is salute, man.
Parang gano'n nga
You're
na
the
lang.
best. You're the best import. I mean, I really hope na nakita nating magkasabay si RHJ, si Justin Brownlee, and si Marcus Blakely in their prime. That would have been okay. But ang ganda ng transition, from Marcus Blakely, the Grand Slam import of Sandy Coffee. And then si Justin Brownlee, paglipat ni Coach Tim, and now si RHJ. But malay mo, di ba, may sagot pa si JB towards the end. But that's the series right there. I like also what Ross did. Tinakbuhan
Going
yung
quickly to
TNT.
Ross. That's what they did.
Tinakbuhan. And that's when they had a 13-point lead. That's their largest lead of the game. What's crucial, no? I think,
wow.
What's crucial, I think, and we never question the coach's decisions in this show and whenever, we do not question that. But it's really crucial nung nilabas si Thompson, si Dion Thompson, in the latter part of the third, yung 11-12 point lead ng Ross naging
I remember,
dalawa
yes.
or isa, and I thought, di ba dapat ibalik na si Dion? But that's Coach Yengaw eh. Siguro pagod na si Dion eh. Because he would have insisted na ibalik siya if he wasn't. So he probably needed that rest. And in the end, in the fourth, sa kanya pa rin naman siya nagpunta. Sa kanya pa rin sila nagpunta, di ba? So,
dagdag ko na rin, Grim, and Felix Lemeti was a plus 10 in 17 minutes. I expected more minutes, but
he
again,
started,
Exactly. He started, played well, plus 10. I think he had the best. Again, ito guys, hindi naman namin gino-glorify yung plus minus.
Plus minus,
that's just parang cherry on top lang yun. But that's something to work with. Na, okay, Felix Lemeti is playing well. I wish he played more minutes. Wish ko lang naman. I'm not part of the coaching staff, but as a fan, and as nakikita mo na he played well, why not, diba? Like, bakit iniisip mo, why didn't he play more? What could have contributed to that? Mas marami pa nga nilaro si Karakot. Yeah, 23 minutes for Karakot, 17 for Lemeti. So is it a case of Coach Sheng more trust lang on Karakot, diba? And Felix hasn't played in the past. Yeah, so parang dun lang ako na parang, okay, I wonder what the mindset was with Felix capped at 17.
What I normally hear pag ganyan, when we listen to broadcast is, if a player is someone na biglang binababad, normally ang ganda na pinakita niyan sa ensayo. And that's probably what the other players did. Sila Karakot, sila I mean Nocum will obviously get the minutes.
Yeah, he will get the
But
minutes.
you know what Paulo Del Rosario was saying is
Yes, go.
Felix Demeti and then Sean Ildefonso. Yun yung gumulat sa kanila second quarter, di ba? Si Sean Ildefonso had 4
Oh,
points.
parang
But he
naglaro rin
only
si
played
Sean, eh, no?
7 minutes and he did not play the entirety of game 4. So, I mean, Coach Chen could have utilized fresher legs, but again, bata pa kasi mga player niya, so they probably don't need that amount of rest. But in the end, um, when when things got tight, RHJ and Kelly Williams, who
Oo.
doesn't seem to get old, found ways. When RHJ was dominating ito si Kalen Tiongson one-on-one, they started
Mm.
to blitz him. Tinatrap na nila, 'di ba, sa half court when the ball screen comes. But Kelly Williams with those timely buckets, those putbacks. I mean, when Kelly Williams won his first title and won his first MVP, I was in grade 6. I am
Same.
a 28-year-old man. And ito pa rin, and he's going to his, I don't know kung pang ilang finals niya. And he had an issue, di ba? He had an health issue. That's why he had to retire. But Coach Chot was just able to convince him to come back. So, this TNT team, I think the finals will go 7.
Oh, I
Yeah.
wish. I want a long series, Graham. I just
It
I
will
want a
be.
long series.
It will
Like
be
kahit
for sure.
Northport versus TNT man yan kung in another life no,
Whoever
in
came
another.
out, whoever came out of
Kahit
the
sino yan, 7 games talaga gusto ko as a fan of basketball.
but yung TNT kasi they're complete, like saan ba sila may butas. One,
Mm.
they have Nambatak, and then they have Veruela, and then
And no
yung wing.
Castro, no Jason Castro
Yeah,
this time to terrorize on RJ Abarrientos.
that's the thing, that's the thing that they will surely miss. But again, no, yung 1 through 5 nila buo, walang
Mm.
butas, walang tapon dun sa roster ng
Tama, wala naman
TNT.
tapon. I think it's the fine ano na eh. Usually when both teams are equally talented, doon mo na titingnan yung saan ka konting advantage will tip the scales, no? For me, that is the Jason Castro loss. Because Jason Castro kinda, for lack of a better term, is bini-baby boy niya si RJ Abarrientos. Did you see the last
Oo.
series, di ba? You
Oo.
follow that. Finalo natin yan. RJ Abarrientos couldn't do shit against Jason
Exactly.
Castro. Kasi parang
Exactly. And
kinukuya siya.
oo, 'di ba? Parang yung ginagawa ng Cleveland nun kay Steph Curry, 'di ba? They'll get Steph Curry off the switch and then it's payday for LeBron. It's either he scores or he assists. And din yung ginawa na kay RJ in the previous finals. I mean, RJ produced well on offense pero naka-counter kasi nung lack of defensive skills niya against Jason Castro. And that's not to say na si RJ Barrientos is a bad defender, but Jason Castro was the best point guard in Asia for multiple years. And
Utak rin.
yeah,
It's mostly utak
utak
na to at this point.
yung veteran smarts. So it will be a big loss. I mean, it is a big loss for TNT, but for this series hindi nila masyadong naramdaman. At least for the past 2 games. Because no game 3 they lost to Ross in a close match.
Sige ko na rin to. Si Arlove kasi nakikinig sa podcast natin from time to time. Arlove, mahal kita na close tayo. Pero alam naman natin, this is all based on
What we see.
observations and statistics and what we have seen from the past data. Nothing personal against RJ. We want RJ on the podcast. Now we're gonna have him like sa future guys and we're gonna try getting him. Malay mo, di ba? Pumayag.
But no,
Which we do
I
hope.
mean, RJ Abarrientos, I'm telling it right now. What do we give Junmar? Like 3, 4, 5 more years as
He can be
arguably the
dominant
best
for sure.
player in the
Yung ceiling
PBA?
niya naman, he can dominate. We're just saying right now na, technically, rookie ka pa rin, bro. Like, kahit, di ba, galing kang KBL, galing kang he's still a rookie. And, syempre, iba pa rin yung veterano ng PBA na many, many years playing in the international stage as well, like Castro nga. But, walang Castro, so go ahead, Graham.
But the only reason I brought that up is, I brought Junmar up is, unless KQ comes in the PBA or Carl Tamayo, I can see RJ Barrientos winning an MVP in the next 5 years. The way he plays. That's very, very possible.
Especially with the assist, no? Double-double ulit kanina.
Oo. Tapos kung papayagan pa lang bumoto yung buong barangay, that's sa landslide victory. Pag bumoto yung buong barangay Ginebra fans, which they don't and they should not because those fans are never objective. But yeah, I can see RJ winning an MVP in the next 5 years. But yeah, let's stick to TNT and Ross
Yeah,
muna
sorry
if
guys.
you
To
still
wrap
have
it up,
someone to.
to wrap up the TNT Ross series lang. Thanks, Graham. I was gonna go towards that. Anything else for you? Anong nagkulang sa Ross in this series? Why they lost in five? What was missing, at least in your point of view as a fan?
Kalen Tiongson in the last 2 games.
Oh yeah.
He
Oo nga
his
pala.
performance was
Subpar.
subpar, and he acknowledged it. He mentioned that we'll grow from this, and that's how young teams grow, diba? We talked about Northport facing adversity. I mean, Ross is a young team, and
Very, very young team.
this is their adversity. Last conference they were shut down by TNT, I believe, in 6 games. This time in 5.
Five.
Um, but we'll see in the All Filipino Conference. They're
It's
at
gonna be
least,
fun.
yeah,
It's
you
gonna
can
be
you can
fun.
pencil Ross as a top 5 team in the All
I have them
Filipino.
top four if on
Yeah,
all Filipino.
arguably. I think Meralco has a case to be in the top 4 too.
Meralco
Um,
din. Assuming na Alain Maliksi is healthy, but okay, going back to TNT
yeah,
Ross
oh,
series.
yeah. We keep on getting swayed from this great series, ano.
All
We have,
Filipino na iniisip eh.
oh
Season
nga, no,
50 na agad.
we're looking ahead pero
So, yeah.
wala pa nga yung finals ng
So
Comstock.
it's
But
mostly that for Ross. They missed the Kalen Tiongson in the
oh,
past 2 games, more of a performance, and then Jonard Clarito just disappeared, no? 0
uh,
points in this game.
oh, exactly. We expected more from this guy. But ganun naman kasi yung teams ni Coach Ying, di ba? On any given night, anyone can contribute.
Yeah.
This night, or this game, it was Nokum at 13. Certainly a step up from his performance in game 4. And then Karakut also had 10. Pero majority, I mean, Thompson is the import, so he still has to. I mean, we're not surprised that he did most of the job. So,
Ang ganda ng stops ng TNT sa Ross ng mga last 2-3 minutes,
oh,
Graham.
exactly.
Diba?
Tapos yun nga yung timely baskets, ano, they just don't have a way to stop yung TNT. And towards, I mean, in the game I still saw yung mga silly foul. Parang you should not have committed that
Frustration
foul.
fouls, you mean?
Na parang you could have just played defense instead of committing that foul. And those are the things that they'll learn from, that every young star went through.
Knowing Ross, they'll keep the same roster, no? Mawawala lang naman si Dion for the All Filipino Cup.
Oh,
And no, and since this is an independent team, this will stay intact for sure.
this will be their this will be the
Core.
this will be the core, and this will probably be the next great Ross team after that team that won the title in 2016, the last independent team to win the title.
So the countdown is still running, no? 9 years and counting. Hopefully they stop it. That
Oh no, they have a bright future. And when Ross, here's the thing, when the PBA was at its peak during our time, the time which was between 2011 to 2016, Ross was a good team and people were rooting for Ross. Meron pa bayan ng Ross, di ba?
yeah, Bayan ng Ross. Oh,
Diba?
I remember.
So
Bayan ng Ross.
people were watching them upsetting the SMC teams, dragging TNT to double overtime game 7 of the final. So when Ross is good, the PBA is good.
Agree. Oh, let's now move on. Pasadahan na natin to, Graham, ha? Yung
Mabilis lang?
Ginebra. Mabilis lang naman. Kasi, syempre, most of our conversation had to center around the Ross TNT game. So, since that was a series. While for Ginebra versus Northport, the only series game that I enjoyed was the last one, Game 4.
Game 4. Yeah.
Dito naman, your quick observations, your quick thoughts, your emotions while we were watching on our separately, but we were chatting. Sabi natin to na, Graham. Nakakatawa yung chat namin, guys. Hindi namin pwede release daw. Pang personal lang talaga.
I-reveal, it's can someone else other than Kadim Jack? Oh, actually si Bulanadi. Yeah,
Bulanadi showed up.
They were the only 2 players who seemed to be interested to not to
Bulinari
even
showed up, man.
not
He
to just
showed
play in
up.
this game, but when nakita mo si Kadeem Jack, they were down by 30 points, nagsisigaw siya doon.
After the dunk ba yun? Was it after the dunk? Yung from
and,
Monzon?
and no, it's yeah, yung behind the back ni
Yung
Monzon,
behind the back na medyo na-botch niya din. Yun, yung
and
si Brownlee.
then uh and then he tried to dunk it na niluwapat tsaka pumasok, and then napasigaw siya. And then sabi ni Sir Seb Sarmenta, because I was watching on RPTV,
RP ka pala.
sabi ni Sir Seb Sarmenta was the fans have no other way to entertain themselves. I'm paraphrasing, so they're just getting entertainment from actions of the court, kagaya ng sigaw-sigaw ni Kadim Jack, something like that. Kasi the game was over in the third quarter, when actually in the second quarter pa lang I felt it was over, but in the third quarter
Oh,
when
9-point lead,
Ginebra,
diba? I think they had a
from
9-point lead, yeah.
9-point lead heading into the third, and then they
18.
went on
Mm-mm.
a 13 or 16 nothing run to
Oo.
push the lead to 22 or 25. I mean, from that point, it was over. Nakakatawa nga, there was a clock malfunction in the fourth with 2 minutes and 19 seconds left. Yung oras sa TV hindi gumagalaw. Sabi ko, what?
Sobrang tagal, di ba? Sabi ko,
Sobrang
bakit?
tagal.
Nagulat
2
ako sa oras
minutes and
yun.
19 pa
Biglang
rin.
9:45 na. Di pa tapos
Oo.
PBA?
Pero yung oras ata sa court is gumagalaw kasi
Pero sa TV,
stop the
ano
game.
pong
Sabi
nangyari
ko,
dyan?
just ano ba to? You're dragging us to watch this game na tambakan na. But it was just Ginebra showing Northport who they really are. Normally nangyayari to sa volleyball, no, because I covered hundreds of volleyball games. When a team is up 2-0, because volleyball is race to 3. When a team is up 2-0, and medyo naging complacent in the third set, especially if the team is the dominant team, natatalo sila ba 25-23. Pagdating ng fourth set, ang score is 25-12 in favor of the stronger team.
Kasi okay.
Parang it's human nature na mag-relax kayo, di ba? You're up 3-0, first game, petiks muna. I'm not saying that they did that, but that's how we viewed it when we talked about game 4. And then game 5, di ba? Right out of the gate, other than the first quarter, the entire game was not even close. And I think pilit na nga Ginebra chant eh. Sabi ni Sir Seb, hindi nila alam kung paano lang umpisahan yung Ginebra chant. Kasi wala naman silang reason to cheer. Because tambakan na. Because the Ginebra chant comes when Ginebra is down, they make 2-3 straight baskets, di ba? But in this game, it was just all Ginebra. Arvin Tolentino, by the way, another thing.
Sakto. I was gonna mention. Ano sasabihin mo sa 2 for 13 niya?
It took him 3 quarters to make a basket.
Yeah, he had 1 field goal attempt after the first half, man.
And
Hindi excuse yun, bro. Like for me, kung ako superstar, I mean, gets ko yung gusto nila dumaan through Kadim Jack. But come on, bro. Like, demand it more. I think he learns, hopefully, na alam niyang na star siya.
I saw a comment on our first episode saying na that's why Arvin Tolentino is not in the Gila school, because of that, because of inconsistency. And we can say that's a fact, because out of 5 games he only showed up in 1, but that's what the Ross guys also experienced, di ba? But are we being unfair to Arvin? I don't think so, because he was so good in the elimination round.
Na-spoil niya tayo in a way na, I mean, sorry,
expectations
diba?
natin, sobrang taas na if you just score 15 points, then it's probably an off game for you. I mean, LeBron did this in 2011. And
that's the burden of superstars. That's the burden that superstars have.
Exactly.
And like with LeBron, diba? Like, he had that burden ever since he was in high school. Dala-dala niya yan ever since.
You have to get past those roadblocks. I'm confident. I've always liked Arvin kahit na nasa San Beda pa siya nung high school, and then he transferred to Ateneo and FEU. I've always liked Arvin kasi siya yung definition nung 3-and-D guy. In that something na
or
actually,
more of like a scoring 3 and 4. I don't see much of the D.
Yeah, probably.
More of a Swiss Army knife 3-level scorer. I think parang ganun.
Triple threat, he can pass.
Triple threat, The defense
post,
needs work.
It needs work. But yeah, I mean
Ah,
I've always been a believer of Arvin, and it doesn't sound like that kasi we have been talking about him on a bad note, but he's been playing. He played bad in this series. But I've always believed in Arvin. Kaya nga na nasa Barangay Ginebra siya, I thought na when he got traded to Jamie Malonzo, I got
you didn't
kind of
like it
sad.
initially.
Oo.
In that
Oo,
yung
kasi
instant moment, you were like, bakit? Gumano ka ba?
because siya yung pamatay sunog eh. 'Di ba? When they needed a basket, especially sa All Filipino, siya yun eh. Siya yung three-pointer nila when Justin Brownlee is not around. But um that's it ano for Northport. They were the one seed. Now All Filipino, they have
They'll be scary still. For me, kahit
oh,
despite this disappointing series, all Filipino Cup, I would have Northport in the final in the playoffs.
what the fans are clamoring to is wag niyong galawin yung core. 'Di ba? Si Monzon, si Will Navarro, si
That's
Nelu,
a
si
can of
Arvin.
jars I'm not gonna open.
Oh, no, I won't. That's a
Oo.
Pandora box na
That's a
hindi natin
Pandora box.
bubuksan. Oo.
Like,
But
can of jar. Sorry, sorry guys. That's a Pandora's box na I'm not gonna open.
Pandora's box. But
Uh,
if matupad yung wish, ano, then they're set for the next 3 years. Or kung gagalawin nyo, kunin si Mikey Williams. If you can.
Pwede, pero yeah, but gaya na sabi mo nga, Graham, this is a great core. You have Tolentino, Navarro, Munzon, Evan. So you have a big core three, which
Oo.
is, I believe, Arvin, Munzon, and Navarro. Evanelli's a fourth great, Bolanaldi's the fifth. You have a great core five.
And it's
You have
rare,
Cade
ano.
Flores na magka-consistent jumper lang.
Oo.
Pwede. Maging, di
Yeah,
ba?
that's true. The thing about Northport is yung core nila, they're all ano eh, Swiss Army knives. Knives, 'di ba? Parang hindi yung yung core natin isang point guard, isang scorer, isang big man, just like what San Miguel used to be or Barangay Ginebra used to be or San
Oh,
Mig Coffee
oh.
used to be. No, these are all guys who can create for themselves. So if one guy is off, the other two can pick up the slack. The only thing is keeping this core intact and try to you know combat the outside forces na pwedeng watakin ng team na to, which I really hope they don't.
So that really encapsulates the Ginebra versus Northport series. It's just the veterans bullying the younger kids. Batang peer talaga. But it doesn't mean that Northport will suck in the next conference. No,
No,
they're just gonna learn
no,
from this,
they're probably
providing
not gonna
that
be the one seed, but
yeah, they're
they'll
gonna be in
be
the
in the
playoffs.
playoffs.
Easy, they're gonna be in the playoffs.
Easy,
I feel like they're
easy.
top five in the All Filipino. Kaya. Pwede? Pwede? Okay.
Yeah,
Quick lang bago natin end. Ginebra,
TNT,
TNT,
SMB.
Meralco, SMB,
Then you got
Ross.
Ross or Northport.
Pwede,
Did, did,
5-6.
did, did we
Top 8
miss?
naman ng playoffs eh.
Did we just
Who
forget
did we
about
miss?
Converge?
Oo nga pala, we forgot. Okay,
Playoffs.
scratch what I
Just
said.
say
They're gonna be in the
just say
playoffs. They're
playoffs.
gonna be in the
They're gonna
playoffs,
be in the
not top
playoffs.
5.
They will not be the top seed.
But they are gonna be in
They
the
have an
quarters.
argument to be a top 5 team. Because Coach Bonitan, we know Coach Bonitan is a great developer of young guys. So I believe in that team. I believe in Arvin Tolentino. On one quick note before we move to whatever
Oh.
topic we have next.
Hindi, wala na. Last, ano na to?
Oh,
Wrap up
this
na
is
tayo
it?
dito. Ito
Okay.
na, dalawa lang naman eh. Kasi
Yeah.
we're gonna have a separate series for the PBA Finals preview. So gagawin ko,
Re-review
papakita ko
muna
yung
namin yung numbers, ano?
review namin numbers, bibigyan namin yung projected starting five, pag-ano namin ni Graham, paglalaban namin sa sinong advantage dito, ito yung bench nila, ano sa tingin mo, how do you see this? So abangan nyo yun, don't forget to subscribe. And di pa ito tapos, Graham, gusto ko lang sabihin na i-mention tong plug kasi di ba, not everybody makes it to the end. So don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna have a giveaway when we reach 50K subscribers. So feel free to share this to your friends and or colleagues.
Yeah,
Anyway, Graham, what
for
were we gonna
sure.
say?
No, I was about to say, Ginebra won, ilan lamang na Ginebra? I think around 20, something like that.
Ito, I'm looking. They won by 20. They won by 27 against
27.
Northport.
Okay. Did you feel that Justin Brownlee contributed in that game? Because I did not. And they still won by 27.
I feel like kung first time PBA fan ako, iisipin ko si Jamie Malonzo yung nagpapatakbo sa Ginebra. Yung
Siya
mga
import.
tres ni siya yung import kanina.
Oo.
At least ito guys,
Parang,
game 5 lang Jamie Malonzo
oo.
was freaking cooking again from 3. Di ba?
Exactly, 'di ba? Parang and RJ was giving the ball to him more than JB. But I was the
Parang
only
ganun
reason
game vibes, no?
the only
Ah.
reason I brought that up is Justin Brownlee cannot give us a no-show against TNT. They will lose to
I feel like
TNT if
Brownlee was moving at just steady pace lang dito. Na
yun
parang,
nga eh. Cruise control lang, 'di ba? Pag nasa expressway ka, no, I'll just do
cruise
100.
lang.
No,
Set
hindi
mo
ako
lang at 100 or 80.
100.
80 nga lang si
80.
Brownlee dito eh.
Naka 80 lang ako and then
Kumakain ng chips.
'di ba, no? Inom na soft drinks. And then in the finals, ayan natutulog na yung mga buto ni JB. Nakikita niya
Tabi
na
mo
si
na yung
RH.
pagkain, mamaya na yan.
Oo.
Mamaya tayo kumain.
Nakita niya
Oo.
na si RHJ na parang you cannot beat me 3 times. I'm not gonna be Josh Allen to your Patrick Mahomes. No.
Dapat ganun mindset niya or else not gonna win.
It has to be. And remember when Allen Durham lost to JB in the first 2 finals that they played? The next time we said Durham is due for a win and he never beat Justin Brownlee. This
Na-sweep
has
pa
the
nga eh.
potential.
Na-sweep, di ba?
Oo. This has the potential to be that story too. And I don't think it will because I have one
But
team
it
winning
can
in
happen. It can
7.
realistically happen.
But it can realistically happen for sure. Like that's how good RG is. But the only reason I brought Justin Brownlee up is he cannot do that against TNT. Because remember last finals in the Governor's Cup, he was also checked by TNT.
Na-check siya. Na-check siya. Hindi lang siya. Pati yun nga, yung mga other Jin players. Japet Aguilar was lost in that
exactly.
series.
And fans were not nice to Japet.
Actually. Even you think it's actually the Jin fans that are kind of hard
exactly.
on Japet.
Oo nga. That's what I was trying to say na the Ginebra fans were not nice to him and he did not play good but Japet is tumatanda na. But going back to JB, na-check siya last conference ng TNT in the finals and that was
tama.
a time na we were not even talking about his age. Now we're talking about Justin Brownlee possibly showing his age. He has to step up for Ginebra in the finals.
And with
he has
that,
to
guys,
be that guy.
Exactly. And with that, guys, we Graham and I could go on for another hour regarding the TNT Ginebra finals matchup. But abangan nyo yung
Excited
episode
kami.
na yun. The finals game 1 start
Friday.
March 14 next Friday in the Mall of Asia Arena. Graham and I will do an episode to do a complete finals recap. Talagang tail of the tape, kumbaga, na talagang hihimayin namin. Okay, point guard matchup. Ganito ka dito. Shooting guard. Okay, 6-man. Bench mob. So, abangan nyo yun. That will be fun. I'm sure Graham will also have fun. Ako rin. Kasi I love gusto ko yung naghihimay ng talagang matchup series na gano'n.
We're gonna pretend we're experts for that episode. And if by the end of the series we were proven to be true, then malay mo may nakakanood, di ba na, these guys know what they're talking about.
Well, we wouldn't last this long if wala tayo alam.
That's a good
point. Hindi naman sa nagayaba, but we are basketball freaks talaga. We love not just watching but also checking the numbers. Bakit ka ganito? Especially pag NBA, na punong-puno na stats, I can just stay there and just watch all the stats. Parang, okay to. Yeah. But yeah, Graham, as always, thank you. And guys, for those who are watching, listening, follow 5-star rating on Spotify. For those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Graham Esber. We're gonna have, again, uulitin ko para sa mga skipped, that we have a finals preview episode. Hopefully, Tuesday, Wednesday, Graham?
Wednesday, Thursday, anytime.
We'll do midweek next week para malapit na. And then, it's gonna be one hell of a series again. And kung makita nyo kami sa arena when we watch live, di maghain na rin kayo.
Exactly. Malay nyo kayo pa yung bigyan ng giveaway. But yeah, that's it.
Nagpa-promise ka na agad, ha? Bibigay ni Graham yung mga hats niya. Daming hat yan si Graham, iba-iba.
Exactly. Or a LeBron James paraphernalia. All right. Adios, amigo.
Nabasa.
All right. Adios, amigo.
See you guys. Peace.